Hey guys, welcome back to the ConfermentRM YouTube channel. Getting ourselves back into a 2-minute technicals video looking at Bitcoin. And as you know, we got our CPI data for today. Today was Wednesday for that. And it actually came in better than expected. And as you can see, we got our initial pop upwards on BTC. We're on the 4-hour here. We got that nice pop upwards, hit the top of our channel. This is our bottom line right here. Ain't that interesting? We've had this since April 21st all the way to here to May 1st. So now almost halfway through May, it is holding up as a resistance. It hit it twice. Major rejection came right back into here. So we hit that full extension that we kind of expected us to see. And now we did not get a clear and concise breakthrough the 50-day moving average, and actually it rejected even on the 20, and now you can see it's starting to move to the downside, and we actually hit that target too. It was an extremely volatile day. But anyways, we set a newer low, and there was a wick, like a scam wick, as you would like to say. It was a liquidity grab, but then as you can see now it's coming back down towards it. It's like a short squeeze almost. But I know if we go over here to DJI, you can see that everything that was made yesterday came right back down, and now we're kind of just meandering here in the middle. I know if we went to the 1 day, you can see red day. Actually, it's pretty crazy how volatile the day was because of that. But now let's get ourselves back into the BTC price chart, see what we got going on. So we have that target down there of around 26,959 to come back there, but like realistically that 26,628. But realistically, you guys know that this yellow line is exactly what we're expecting, which is what we're looking for. Unfortunately, that is how this crash, retrace, and reaccumulation going downwards is typically what happens. You have you're typically this kind of fashion, down to here. So this is just another impulse wave back up. Usually now you're going to get that kind of catastrophic fall from here, because now you're back in this region here, and you're condensing. You're getting closer and closer into a larger correction coming in here. As you can see, very volatile, couldn't get through 27,896. So what happens there's not really a demand zone in here. You can see there's not a lot of volume in this region. So what I'm going to be expecting, is the next clearest one, which was over here in this region, around 24.1 up to here around 25.3. So I'm going to have that on the ropes for kind of something to play out. Because otherwise we could grab this, go a little more sideways. You can see if we were to kind of meander this one down a little bit more, keep the tops and the peaks. See, the latest is by the end of the month of getting a huge move to the downside. You can see it's the same length, but a sudden break, actually right down there to 25.254. But at the moment, where we were talking about this move right here from the top, actually can get rid of these ones at the moment. You can see we grab this yellow line here, make this white so you can see it. You see that initial drop is going to bring itself down there. We could kind of meander it maybe a little bit like this. It'd still be Friday, and the size doesn't really matter, but it's still going to be coming down to around 26,628 as its first impulsive move, and then probably after that see your little retrace, and you're going to wind up seeing stair-stepping patterns into this. Or as soon as it loses this support critically, it's just going to fall off the table, because we're getting right to that critical point right here on the RSI. You can even see it too. We got through it, but now we're kind of teetering on pushing through it again. And I can imagine if we fall through it, we're just going to fall flat through it. So let's just see how it works, see how the rest of the week plays out. But at the moment, not looking that great. Just looking at this to kind of sort of play out. But if we grab ourselves, I want to see what it would look like on regular Fibonacci here. We could take this high here. We'll do this high before this low, so do the middle, not count the bodies. A retrace back up to the 618, and now a fall back to the bottom. I mean, if we don't get through 27,742, we're not getting up there past 27,896. So these are all things that take into consideration if you're day trading it. But hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. It's extremely volatile what's going on. Absolutely crazy. But, we all knew sell in May, go away. It's usually the saying. So hope you guys are having a good one. Remember, none of it's financial advice, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good one.